In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Shopify store link to TikTok bio. By the end, you'll have a clickable link on your profile that sends viewers straight to your store, helping you turn views into visits and, hopefully, sales. Start by opening your TikTok account and signing in. Make sure you're using the app on your phone for the smoothest experience. Once you're in, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. From here, you'll enable a business account, a discount, which is essential because it unlocks the website field in your bio. Without a business account, you won't be able to add a clickable link. On your profile, look for the menu and find the option to switch or enable a business account. TikTok may call this switch to business account or something similar. Go ahead and proceed, and the app will guide you through a brief setup. This change is free, and it's specifically designed for creators and brands who want to share a website. Keep in mind, business accounts follow different music usage rules, but you gain analytics and, most importantly, the ability to add your store link. Next, choose a category. Pick the one that best matches your Shopify store, such as fashion, beauty, tech, home goods, or whatever fits your niche. This helps TikTok understand what your account is about and can improve how your profile appears to potential customers. When you're ready, confirm by tapping Become a Business. This finalizes the switch and only takes a moment. You'll see confirmation on your profile once it's active. Now you can add your Shopify store to your bio. Go back to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Look for the website field. Paste your store's URL there, making sure it's the clean, direct link to your homepage or a key collection. Use the full HTTPS link so it's recognized as clickable. If your URL is long, consider using a branded short link that still looks trustworthy. Keep your bio text concise and add a short call to action like "Shop the latest drops below." Save your changes, then view your profile to make sure the link shows up and works. It's a good idea to tap it to test and check that your store loads quickly on mobile. That's it. You opened your TikTok account, enabled a business account, chose a category, confirmed by becoming a business, and added your Shopify link to your bio. You're ready to drive traffic right from TikTok to your store.